I can see both the Khans in the show, but there is a rumor about Shah
And
Rukh
we are not telling you which one is better or anything like that, huh?
No, no,
वो
his
सवाल
question
तो
is
है,
something
अभी
there is
नहीं
a
रुक जा.
rumor. There is a rumor about Shah Rukh Khan coming on the last episode. Is this
It's a rumor. Confirm it with him. वो आएगा stage पे तो पूछ लेना.
I'll be honest. Shah Rukh came, we asked him questions. He didn't answer anything. Then after some time, I think he wanted to go to the bathroom, so they took him away. And we were quite disappointed. And then we realized we couldn't get his dates, so Mrinalini had got a cardboard cutout of Shah Rukh Khan. We have that in our bloopers. You can watch that. So we have him.
That's a separate channel.
Well, thanks, Naveen, for that question. Let's take the next one. Abir.
Okay.
Hello, hello.
Can you see me?
Mrinalini,
Yeah. Okay,
Mrinalini,
I'm not
सवाल-
standing.
Sorry,
तरह-
just give us a second. Sir, just give us a
One
second.
second.
Abira already started. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So I wanted to, every time one of you come together with your spouse and they freak out, and here you two are coming together. First, tell me what did your husband's reaction was that you guys are coming together, because they always freak out at any show. We have seen Akshay, we have seen Ajay, and they will be asking you, calm down, don't talk too much. And here you guys are together, like there's no filter.
So I think we basically came together only to irritate them. So I think it was that, because we were like, no more censorship. It shall not happen again. It's a law. We've passed it.
I mean, my husband always tells me chashma pen lo, which is code word that keep quiet. So now I've told him chashma toot gaya.
Whoa. Thank you, Abira, for that question. Yes, sir.
मृणाली, इस तरह का शो बनाना कितना चैलेंजिंग होता है, क्योंकि इतने सारे गेस्ट को लाइन अप करना, शूटिंग करना, दो इतने बड़े होस्ट हैं, उसके बाद अब जब शो बनकर तैयार है तो क्या कहेंगे, किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा इस शो को लेकर?
It was a diplomatic experience. It was an experience in diplomacy. You can go to the UN now.
नहीं, ये शो का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था. एंड जो चैलेंजेस थे वो हर शो पे होते हैं, इस शो पे भी थे. एंड येस, वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ गेस्ट्स, बट आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑन दिस शो. एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर 1, एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर 2, two sitting there. So we all together have pulled it through, and we are very excited with what we have to put out there.
शुक्रिया आपके सवाल का. Moving on, our next question. Yes.
Hi. I wanted to ask Nikhil, was it a challenge or was it easy to bring these two ladies together for the platform?
Actually, that's a question from Mrinali. For me, it was very easy. I asked Mrinali, can you? And she said yes. So, and then they were there. So, but we were really fortunate because this was an idea, and to actually make it happen is I'm joking, but it's very difficult. But I'm just so glad that both of them have agreed to host it and then do such a fantastic job on the show, and the kind of people who've joined as part of the guest list. Really excited about bringing it to all of you.
And Kajol and Twinkle, I want to ask both of you, like some of these guests are some people you have known for years. So was it something that surprised you as well, something new that you learned about them while they were on the show?
Don't keep looking at me, please.
I'm
I
not
beg
looking
you.
at you. I'm just waiting. I give you a chance so that by the time I can think of a
Thanks
better answer.
so much.
But
Honestly, you can go first.
I think a lot of things surprised us. First of all, these days when you're talking to your friends, half the time they're scrolling on their phones. So this was a win-win situation. We got their undivided attention and we got paid. So it was fabulous.
Love it. Thank you, Akash. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I would like to congratulate Amazon team and everyone on the dais. I loved the theme. And of course, this quite unique concept of this show. I would like ask to Kajol and Twinkle, both of you are witty and spoke always to your mind. So how different was this talking to celeb directly on their face?
Nice.
But we are known for saying things to people's faces, which is why we're always in trouble. At least I am. So
No,
I
because
don't
of your
think it was
columns as
very
well.
different.
You write also, to be very honest.
But that's easy. I can edit. When I'm speaking, I don't edit. So I've been in a lot of trouble by the things I've said.
No, I think I got your question completely. मुझे समझ में आया. लेकिन I think we are the kind of people that are pretty much जो हम लोगों से कहते हैं उनके मुंह पे वही मतलब पीठ पीछे इतना करते नहीं हैं. So the way we are with them normally is pretty much what the show is about. So I don't think that they have felt very uncomfortable at any point. Maybe a little uncomfortable, but not too uncomfortable. And we've been pretty much as we are normally with them.
Thank you so much.
We have a philosophy. We don't keep anything in our stomach. We just
इसलिए पेट
throw
flat है.
up on people, then they are covered with vomit and we walk on.
Quotable quotes for our friends. Yes, Ravi ji.
हाय काजल, हाय ट्विंकल, दिस इज रवि। मुझे पूछना था कि आप लोग करण जौहर के पॉपुलर शो में जा चुके हैं। उन्होंने कई गेस्ट को बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल किया है, हमेशा मस्ती मस्ती में सवाल पूछकर। हम देख सकते हैं ट्रेलर में करण जौहर भी यहाँ पर आप लोगों के सामने हैं। ऐसा कोई सवाल जिससे करण जौहर अनकंफर्टेबल हुए हों या आप लोगों ने डिसाइड करके उनसे पूछा हो कि अब करण को परेशान करेंगे?
I think Karan is a very, very good speaker. Karan बहुत ही मतलब he has done this chat show for so many years that he is a very, very good speaker. So हमने कोशिश तो की है उसको थोड़ा सा uncomfortable करने की, but लेकिन he is, I have to say, has won hands down and spoken so very, very well.
She's being nice. We trouble him off camera, on camera, and he tries to wiggle his way out of it. I'm not sure if he succeeded.
Thank you, Ravi ji. Let's move on. Any other questions? Yes, ma'am. There's a mic that is with you, I hope.
Yeah, hi, Upala here. The trailer looks fantastic. I loved it. Nikhil, this question is for you. Is the Kaun Banega Crorepati director Arun Sheshkumar involved in the show in some way?
I think Mrinali can answer that question.
Yeah.
Yes, he is.
Okay. He is kind of directing the two ladies?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks again. Lovely show.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's move on. Any other questions? किसी को नहीं लेने पंगे basically. They're having a lot of fun. Well, thank you so much, my dear friends from the press. I hope you had a good time. And if we have time, can we take one more question?
Question, please.
Hi.
Hi.
Would you like to stand up?
Yeah, hi. This is Chetna. I wanted to know, Akshay and Ajay को हम देखेंगे एक साथ इस show में और अगर वो आएंगे तो क्या होगा?
I can only speak and say that there are lots of AKs in this show. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll get the one you want.
Ooh, nice. Thank you so much for your question once again, guys. If there are no more questions, we'd like to wrap the floor for media Q&A. Thank you so much once again. I think that was fun. And after a point, they're just like, संभाल के पूछे सवाल क्योंकि दीदियाँ तो झाड़ देंगी, मजा आ गया. This rarely ever happens, but thank you so much, ladies. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And we'd like, of course, for our friends from the press